and welcome back. The program now as it is hot another terrible edition. Now they carry sunshine. Chuku the still day studio, so they collect na cause. But before they do it, make we give a rundown of all the stories where sunshine. I will tell them about the flood where that is the flood will happen for Sokoto, Lagos, Abuja, and some other states for Nigeria. And from the hospital and say lots of people don't wait in don't return. And according to the situation now, it don't they on serious alert. A lot of states don't put serious alert on top of this particular matter. We go also from there telling us say we go give them militant that is we go give militant Boko Haram treatment. Who they talk is on now? Oga PMB, that is Oga President Muhammadu Buhari. Where they talk this one? They talk this one for Kenya. From there we go also tell and say Senate to probe food crisis in IDP camp. Nice one. From there we also tell and say that is controversy. They trail militant negotiation with federal government. Now all the stories we'll get for that business and now call we still collect and at least we can also hear our own view.
Which one be nice Senate to probe crisis? Nice one. No, let me understand. Senate to probe food crisis for inside
nice. You know what my nice one
Which one?
The ironical nice one.
No, just like the 5,000 be
ironical nice one.
Just like the 5,000 be ironical 5,000. And the feeding be ironical feeding.
Hear me out, my bro.
Which hear you out, my bro? Which your bro?
You're my bro.
Don't call me bro.
Always be my bro.
Call me comrade. Don't call me bro. Call me comrade.
Well, I have the right to call you into our
call me comrade. Don't call me bro.
When I mean say yes, nice one. Nice one what they try to refer to. Not be say that not be nice one say they try to address for.
Okay.
Now nice one someone to say yes. Now but all this while where all this they play out, well una day.
Not be even where then day. Right now.
Action.
Right now, as we dey like this now. The way when we say primary school children, secondary school children, and university people they on summer break. Now our Senate them too they on summer break.
Now from their houses they do it and they decide they will take address.
We shall holiday 9 day. And you want to chook eye inside.
We get caller, we get Oga John. Oga John, they call us from Yaba. Good morning, Oga John.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
We dey fine, Oga John. We hear
Joy.
Not Joy, but now John they will put there before.
For the first time, you know if you decode female voice.
Joy, we dey hear you, Jerry. Talk to us. How are you?
My brother Chuku, I agree to.
I dey greet you, Joy.
In the
form caring. How are you?
Make we hear Joy talk now.
Continue, Joy.
All right, I'm really enjoying your show, Jerry.
Thank you very much.
You for the try.
Thank you very much. Joy.
Sir.
This rain went fall between Saturday and Sunday. It caused any problem for Yaba side?
My dear, the rain is too much. Go when we say yesterday, I just don't go yesterday.
No die, yo.
Okay, Joy. What do you think say una when they live for Yaba or una street una fit do? So you see say okay next time when rain fall, this thing where you talk say nearly happen to you no go happen. Shey na to clear una gutter or do just tell us.
Did I say they make that point there, sir?
Okay.
And I think I got a day clean, but it's for other side like that Iwayama Koko. Yeah, got a no too good at all.
Iwaya.
Yes, and that is later. I only go there everywhere. I like to see people I go match leg. So I just like whether I go see fly, go where they go.
Joy, you have spoken well. Thank you very, very much for at least for calling to also contribute. Even that smile, that laughter, we take enter the program, we take answer us. I mean, now the character was supposed to elevate people like us. Thank you very much.
So the smile, it's very important. Pass. She even talk, call place, say Iwayama Koko. I been think say you go just take and say government. Somebody don't mention Iwayama Koko. She said their gutter not too good. You come and say that smile when you use carry the smile.
Enter there now.
You enter where?
Why we say if I appreciate women, you go take and pass now with me. What
and I don't notice this way where you dey drag talk now. Is it that you are trying to be sure before you make mistake like 5,000 and this thing? No. They appreciate women. And they appreciate you go fall down for this chair where you do. King they call us from Ikoyi. Oh yeah, greet King where?
King, good morning.
See I'm Baz.
Wait, he's a man now. Okay, King, good morning, Jare. We they hear you. Talk to us.
Good morning, Shukodi.
I greet you, Oga King.
Good morning, Okobi.
Good morning, Oga King. I greet you too.
You see what I want to talk, They see what they do for the country they good. Because they complain say drainage everywhere block. Who they block the drainage? Lagos. Person go drink pure water for road, he go drop am inside gutter, whereas trash bin dey by the road. Na government now come pick am. Look, we are quick to call the government for everything. Keep Lagos clean. Who won't keep Lagos clean? Lagos. Every individual should try the best possible to maintain your corner.
Yes.
Go and make you see drainage. You will see big milk containers. They come inside bucket, papa is inside a drainage. So now the thing we need to do is say, one person at a time needs to clear the corner. See the way for Sunday. Everywhere broke. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the whole Lagos, everywhere hook. Now, make we stop the government. Let individuals try their best possible to make sure that the place is kept clean.
We thank you very much, Oga King. You don't make very important point. You talk say, make we stop to the government because now we serve, now we be government. People when the government don't come from Singapore or Malaysia. And the little way when we go try our own, now you go show say, okay, we get plenty effort. At least now only one governor we get. But we get plenty citizens. 36 governors. At most, if we do okay, governor and deputy. But compare that to all the people who went through the
population
state. The way we go take do and now we go do them. And they call Ikoyi. Say sometimes you go see their drainage, full bucket they dey inside here. Ikoyi, this is our area. This is our place where we say.
But it is very funny. How person will look himself finish? We'll make with bucket chapa. That bucket.
What if you got the part?
Because we throw it up and forgot.
What if you all look say, man?
Oh my God.
You know, say, those of us when they reach, someone you all look say, I don't like this car.
Hold on. You don't like with
no, and they talk say so like for Ikoyi, all those Ikoyi places. Say
I don't like this car.
Maybe people talk say, I don't really like this money. Let's go and put it in the farm. Some people talk say, I don't really like this car. Let's throw this car in the drainage. Emeka they call us from Lagos. Okay, Emeka, good morning and welcome to Aside
good morning.
Hello?
Emeka, would they hear you? Talk to us.
I never hear Kubi voice. I never. Hey, Kubi.
Good morning, okay, Emeka.
Hey. Chukudi.
I greet your guy, Emeka. Mekus.
I greet you now.
We greet you too. Make your contribution.
How na program be now?
It make sense. It make sense.
I enjoy the program.
Thank you.
Reduce the volume of your television, okay, Emeka.
Okay, make I reduce that.
Oh yeah, talk. Reduce and they talk.
This matter where they talk about Meduguri for IDP camp. Where they talk say chicken hand, that be na dog hand, that be na cow leg, na inside where they DJ. I beg, more than looking through well. Bless this on Malan, they take the all those rice and those onion where they give them, they take you business. May they know they carry human life, they play a beg.
At all, that's true.
Yes, so. Okay, Emeka, we appreciate
Thank you very much.
You love us in the heart and you don't also call to contribute. Now the issue when we even discuss before we can't even take your call, say we should do more than just coming out to say we will probe. We supposed to begin the act. Ukubi, I did very, very certain say for at least, say I don't even remember, for the past 3 months, almost every week when we go come here, we must one story about say the condition of people in the IDP camp, the condition of people. It not be bad thing. Say Senate now, don't hear. Come talk say they won't do it, but it's supposed to be something of an emergency. He get one picture when one of our newspaper headlines. People full. They say all these people, they be displaced people inside this country. But the conduct say the good thing is say they reach to watch match. They got to say these people, all of them, they be beggars. Say once you dey pass, they go begin to talk say, I beg. We go to ask say, why we go turn our own brothers and sisters to beggars inside this country? Not be say what that they give them, no deal. But now some people they divert them. Senate, do more. Oga Christopher, they call us from Lagos. Good morning. Welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Oga Christopher, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Ukubi.
Yeah, so I better bring down the volume of your television if it is on.
Okay. I think it's okay now.
Okay, now we'll hear you right on.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Fine, we'll do fine.
I really did enjoy this your program.
Thank you very much.
May God continue to help you people. Huh?
Amen. No, thank you.
So I want this our government. I don't understand what they are doing. So
Why talk so?
Like they are pampering us. So
Why you talk so?
About every time, they will keep on postponing, telling different type of stories. So everybody, both people are getting tired of CPC. I believe God will help, sir.
Yes, so now our prayer be that. But then for God to also help, people also need to also come out, also at least make that move collectively. Because no, we just expect, make God come down from heaven saying they can't help. Very our hand, everything day.
And it go good make we also dey set target for ourselves. Oga Christopher, we appreciate your contribution. It go good make we also dey set target for ourselves. As he said, they don't talk, say, we will look into. They're supposed to tell us, say...
look into, no be even say...
They're supposed to tell us, say, take for example now. They're supposed to tell us, say, by Friday...
Thank you very much.
By Friday, we supposed to come out with a report. We go give you a result. By Monday, we go not begin to take steps. Now tell us that we will look into.
Look into go be say Chukudi looking into means okay, once we don't resume once we don't resume for house, we'll come set up committee. Committee that will be funded obviously. Committee will come take their own time at their own convenient time where they say it's the idea for them to look into the matter. When they check the matter. Check the matter. Like 1 month, don't they go be that too?
2 months.
After they check the matter,
no make am 2 months. Because like under APC government, committee they slow. No make am 2 months.
After that one, they can say, okay, see waiting we don't find out. Just still looking into action that never take. When the action will come take place,
they'll come talk say,
they expect allocation come.
No, may I help you. They'll come talk say, one person go come and come talk say, we bought biro. When we were looking into it, we bought 2B pencil. 2B pencil. HB biro.
They give you budget. We get Richard. Richard, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Richard.
How are you, Uncle B?
We are fine.
Mr. Chukwu, how are you?
I greet your guy, Richard.
Yes, I really enjoy you guys. Really enjoy your guys' program.
Thank you very much.
You guys are really trying.
Thank you.
Now, the question I want to ask this morning, now, you see, based on your topic this morning, what do you mean that's not topic again first?
We carry five different stories come. Topics. We talk about, say, Oga Presido tell militants, them say, he go give them Boko Haram treatment if they don't stop their badness. We talk about flooding. We talk about Lassa fever. We talk about the controversy between, say, militants say they want to negotiate or they don't negotiate. And the final one, Senator say they go chook eye.
Come to the Lassa fever issue.
Okay.
Come to the Lassa fever issue.
Okay.
This Lassa fever in question, the doctors, medical doctors from Nigeria, they don't come up to tell us, say, these are the causes and these are the things we are going to abstain from. In order for you people not to contact Lassa fever. They don't come up with that idea.
The gist done there already.
It's done there out before now.
And secondly, the second question I want to ask now is about our president, where they go Nairobi, go they talk, say,
he go give militants Boko Haram treatment.
If in the country, Nigeria, he go still talk the same thing. Now, when he goes outside the country, he go to talk him.
Now that strong question I ask too. Yes, will they listen?
Because this one, they try to deceive us in the kind of way we say. They make us believe now, say they good for our country. But when they go outside the country, you go to feel say, you go make us feel say for our country, they fear. But when you go outside the country, you go feel say they bold. They're trying to deceive us. We the people where they govern, which is not good. I mean, when I help us to try ask on this question, what I just asked now. Thank you.
Okay, Richard, we don't get your talk on top of them, this particular one. And we also know, say, this government, they listen to us. And this other issue we talk, say, at least Oga President, why we say sometimes if you come on and that time they go do it, they make the strongest statement. But then if you come back out, you know, they see a reflection of that statement we make. But then, in as much as all this is they play out, we as a country, we as a people also need to at least hold government accountable so that at least some of these policies and things where they're doing, they will fit do it. They will fit at least also ensure say their talk, not be just talk, say action go also follow. We get a caller, one of our regular callers. They call us from Agege. Good morning, Christian. Christian, good morning.
Oga Christian, it be like say the network no agree. Oga Christian, we go rush enter inside this short break, but I won't drop one gist. It be like say information they come out now say based on this Lassa fever alert, say the team fit still they turn to bank alert because if you carry rat when don't die, you bring and come, you fit collect money. Now gist when they go down, when we go come back, we'll confirm whether that one a real gist or people just talk am anyhow. No go anywhere. Now still ask Ide, now you go complete that. You must complete it.
Hot.
Welcome back to the final lap of Acid Hearts on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia Max, UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times, channel 195, My TV, channel 17, and online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. First, we will thank all the people when we say don't call us to contribute their quota inside the discussion when we carry come to the 5 sizzling hot stories. We'll go the final one, discuss them, but we will still try see whether we squeeze in 1 or 2 calls. Who could be this particular gist about these militants them now say
controversy, they trade their negotiation.
Today we go here say we will negotiate. Tomorrow we go here say we are not the ones who said it. I don't know why these militants who don't call they do we shall. Is it what is ready now?
Chukwu,
or is it that some of you are now
please.
No, it's a question.
Hold that, please.
It's a question.
Of all things, not just carry that one come where are they? I beg, don't.
No, it's a question.
No, don't question such question where are they?
Don't question such question.
It is my talk. Don't question such question where are they?
No, you can't say it's your talk. You can't say that.
It is my talk.
No, how you go and say don't question? Are you want to show you can? Which one is your talk?
Don't question such question where are they?
No, apologize. Don't question such question.
The question does not fit into the question we're supposed to ask. It's as simple as that. Please. Let us ask question ideally. What is that supposed to mean? Well, going by what you just talked about, what now don't actually realize about this particular matter. It's not because something of interest. No, it is no longer a purpose. Okay, now because of our own people, now they fight. It don't because something of interest. Now they play out so. Because going by what you would also see, say the previous militants were enriched themselves as from this same platform, as from this same platform, say they try fight for the right of their people. We see they go through the same challenge now. Now the same process they see now. Okay, we get different factions. I only God know the number of factions we will get now, and yet everybody get their own waiting their own waiting they believe in their own demands and all that. And in the end, now to tell you say true. These people will come and call themselves militant. Not be the interest of their own people that they fight for, not their own interest. That is why they always get controversy for their own house. Why don't we get controversy?
Very true.
Because you don't carry the people for mind. Because people also look at if you are fighting a cause, and the cause they open say yes, this is the cause you are fighting, and people go sincerely say yes, this cause they're fighting. Now true. Now this cause we say you go affect or change the life of now people. Who go come they complain with now? Who go come they argue with now? Who come they debate with now? I think we don't see results. But because of say going by the strength, by the energy and the channel into trying to find what thing go enter in our own pocket, we're going to rush now become big man tomorrow. Now waiting they stay up all these long talk of say this is not what we agreed on. This is what we agreed on. These people come with this. Come on. Oga Michael, talk to us, Ojari. This matter it is vexing me seriously. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Will they hear you right on?
Michael from Igbe.
Talk to us, Oga Michael.
Sir?
I they hear you. They hear you talk.
Okay, about the matter of the IGP, the one at Enugu, Borno State.
Okay.
You know, everything in Nigeria here, not to business. Understand? People, when the government, when give them money, say go and do this. Do they monitor the money? They don't follow up. Because they get boys, so they give them return. So they do finish it for them. The women, they never monitor that kind of a thing. That was not what they happen, not today they happen for this country. And secondly, the latter of 18.
Yes.
Now, great problem for Nigeria, which I pray make God help us, make this no worse.
Make it know, yes.
More than this.
Okay, Michael, thank you very much for that, for your contribution, and also for topping it with that prayer, say, may God help us. But then say, we as Nigerians, we also need to play our own part to ensure, say, at least make the disease not also reach where we did. Thank you very much, Oga Michael, for that contribution. So, back to this same issue. I mean, sincerely, this is just an open talk to the militancy. Whether you be Agberu boys, or be Avengers, anywhere where you be, I beg.
Very true.
Make una get one voice. If not true, now they fight.
No, in all honesty, if we check out, maybe we talk say there's no justification for violence.
Thank you.
There's no justification for causing trouble. That you know if you do bad thing, talk say the reason why I do this bad thing now because of this good thing. No, they say two wrongs, so they make right. But if we check the Niger Delta region, everybody they in agreement, unless people will want deny say if we dey get all these things from this particular place, these people suppose they see our brothers suppose they see more hand for this particular place. But we don't get them like that, and I didn't see the cause problem for here. Now, if you dey talk say, I want to do this to make you know say I dey vex, you don't already do and reach one level when we say, it don't dey affect power because Egbim and the Afan power plants, it don't Warri and Kaduna refineries, our economy from 2.2 million to 1.4. It don't show say these people then get strong hand, and if you do what they talk say they won't do. Now the time to come back and talk say make we discuss. Now we don't go get different groups. Isaac, Bodo boys, these boys, that boy, this one, different. It come like say people they use an open office. Paul, they call us all the way from Lagos. Oga Paul, welcome to Aside Hot.
Paul, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Paul.
The main story we need to talk about is the federal government are not ready to work for Niger Delta. That's just the simple truth. Because we not see they talk one thing every year, every day out. Because the militants, we don't know right from day one, say everybody they fight for in pocket. Now, the main reason why they talk say they fight to now for the people, for the masses, for the suffering, many of the indigenous they suffer for Niger Delta. Now, if really the federal government is sincere, say now the answer they want to answer those people, why not start work to make sure say these indigenous see the effects of what they want to do? Because if they begin to do work where the militants they fight against, so I'm not sure say these people will get the man to the agitate, say make their concept with them, or make their settle with all these people. Because if you say everybody now they cry for saying that then they're supposed to settle with, it no go work like that.
Yeah.
So that's to say, even the federal government say no this sincere, say they want work with Niger Delta people. Because as we say they want work with them, they're not supposed to answer all these militants again. They're supposed to work around the things where they talk about. Not because they fight who they want to negotiate with. Because if they negotiate with these people, that's to say they no one really work with it, they fight for things. Thank you. Thank
you very much, Oga Paul, for that final contribution. We take and do it, we take and round off the calls. We will collect them on today's edition of Aside Hot. I also want to thank every person who do it, who also call.
Why you dey use force? Want thank people to end the show. You want me and you agree say at the end of the show I go tell people say yesterday na your birthday. Why you want use force? Allow me to do it. Yesterday na your birthday, Nkubi. We been here say they don't give you filling station, and you say maybe we can collect free fuel. Give them your phone number now. Make them begin to call you. Yesterday, Nkubi celebrate birthday. We no go talk the age now because if like that time when the thing call, we never get local government for inside Nigeria. So if una do plus or minus, una go know. Nkubi, are you giving free? Are you giving free fuel because they don't give you filling station from waiting with the year under the pipeline, or you won't come deny for year? Or you won't come deny for here. You want the wrong go. Our people went there for us. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. 080. Your number. No, no, like your number now. 080. 080. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.